Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Samarth Official. Like, share and subscribe for more learning videos. How to model a bearing block A using CATIA V5 was explained in the previous video, exercise 2, part 1. In this video, you'll learn about drafting of previously modeled part, which is nothing but bearing block A. Here, you will learn converting 3D part to 2D drawing, dimensioning, creating frame and title block, printing into PDF. Okay, now go to CATIA. So product after opening CATIA, product workbench will be open. You need to close this file, close, start mechanical design, part design, file, open, open the previously modeled part, bearing block A, click on OK. Okay, so go to start mechanical design, drafting, click on modify, standard must be ISO, sheet style A3 ISO, click on landscape, click OK. So I'll select an empty sheet, click on empty sheet, click OK. Sheet, click on sheet, right click, properties, scale can be 1:1. So I want third angle projection, click on third angle standard, click OK. So click on views, front view, select window, bearing block A, select this face, click on anywhere, so you'll get the front view. Select and place it anywhere. So click on views, go to projected views, click on this, just drag your mouse, click here. So this is your top view. Okay, now I want isometric view. Go to views, select isometric view command, go to window, bearing block. I want this isometric view. Select this face. I want isometric view along this face. Okay, so click anywhere. So this is your isometric view. If you want isometric view as a solid, select here, right click, properties, drag down, raster, options, shading with edges, close, click on OK. Right, so you have got the isometric. Okay, now you want dimensions to be generated, so go to generate dimensions, click here, click on OK, click on OK. Okay, select this generate dimensions, click on OK, click on OK. So I've got the dimensions generated. Okay. Uh, just left click your mouse, drag, select these two, drop down menu, select inch. Okay. Here you can select this point. Okay. Decimals up to 4 decimals you can select. So you can see this is 2 inches. So I can zoom it and show you. So this is 2 inches. This radius is 0.75. Select this, right click, properties. So dimension line, 2 parts. Click on OK. Okay. Select this, right click, properties, dimension line, 2 parts. Click on OK. So I want this as a full dimension. I'll delete this. I'll create another dimension. So I'll drag this and place it here. Select this dimension. Select this line. Drag. Select this drop down menu. Inch. 3 inches. Color. It's already selected. I'll select this color. Okay. So 5.875. I need right click, properties, dimension, text value into 4 holes. Click on OK. Okay. So this is the dimension. I want this full dimension. Select this, delete. So click on the dimension. Select this line. Select this line. Select this dimension line. Drag down inch. Select here decimals. We can go. Okay. You can move this, select this line and move this anywhere. Change the color. Select this and drag this. Select this and drag this. Okay. So I want axis lines and center lines to be shown. Select this, right click, properties. Okay. Select hidden line, center line, axis line. Remove this. Click on OK. Same. Select this, right click, properties, hidden line, center line, axis line. Remove this. Fillets. Click on OK. Okay. So you can check this. Any other dimension. So I don't want this dimension to be shown. I'll select this and delete. press delete. Okay. So check here whether all the dimensions. I want this dimension to be shown. Drop down menu, select radius and select this. Okay. Select this line, drop down menu, inches. So you select this decimals, 4 decimals, change the color. Okay. This is 1.687. Select this, press delete. Radius dimension, select this one, select this dimension, inches, drop down menu. I just select 4 decimals, 1.6875. Select this, change the color. Okay. So these are all the dimensions from top view. So coming to this front view, the dimensions can be 3.75, this one, and I don't want this dimension to be shown here. Select this, delete. Okay. So these are the dimensions that I need to show, right? So if I want to show this dimension extra, I can select this dimension, select this line, select this line, drag, select inches up to 4 decimals is not needed. Change the color. Okay. So you can change this axis line here. Select this and you can move it anywhere. Select this and you can adjust. Okay. Fit screen. So you can see all the views are generated. Okay. Now you want to have this uh, frame and title block. Okay. In order to have frame and title block, go to bearing block. No. Window, be on drawing, view, edit, sheet background. Okay. You'll have in this drawing toolbar frame and title block. Click on this. So I can select any of this based on my requirement. Select drawing title block sample 2. Click on OK. So fit to screen. So you can see, double click on this. I can type Samarth official click on OK. So you can change the drawing title also, drawing number, and so double click on this. I can type bearing block A, press enter. So you can edit these things based on the requirement. Drawn by, double click on this, Samarth, press enter. Check by double click, Samarth space official 1, enter. Okay, you can select this. You can change the height of this text also. Okay, so edit working views. So you can look at this working views. So if you want to print this, go to file, print. So if you want to print by using printer, you can select printer. If you want to save it as PDF, in the drop down menu you can select Microsoft print to PDF. Okay, so these are all A4 it is in. This must be in no fitting. This I'll change to A3. Select page setup, A3 ISO, click on OK. Okay, preview. So you can see the preview of this, how it will come. Click on OK, click on OK. Bearing block A, give some name. Print, save, click on OK. Okay, so this is all saved. So you can view full screen. You can see how it looks like. This is how your final saved file looks like. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.